Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Around the clubhouse. On a bright and sunny morning, outside the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Pluto bounces up to Mickey Mouse.
"Hi, Pluto,"
says Mickey.
"You sure are in a bouncy mood today."
Mickey sees that Pluto is carrying something in his mouth. It is a green crayon.
"Gee, Pluto, I don't think you should bury that in the garden,"
says Mickey.
"Let's bring it inside where it belongs."
Mickey and Pluto walk into the Anywhere area and see Donald Duck.
"Oh, phooey,"
says Donald.
"What's the matter, Donald?"
asks Mickey.
"I'm drawing a picture for Daisy,"
replies Donald.
"but I can't finish it without my green crayon." "I think we can help,"
says Mickey.
"Isn't that right, Pluto?"
Pluto bounces over to Donald and gives him the crayon.
"Oh boy,"
says Donald. Just then, Mickey, Pluto, and Donald hear a noise from the Mouseketeer.
"It looks like Toodles and the Mouseketeer have another tool for us,"
says Mickey. Toodles flies out of the Mouseketeer and waves hello to Mickey. A watering can appears on Toodles' screen.
"A watering can? I wonder who can use that?"
asks Mickey. Suddenly, Pluto dashes outside.
"Pluto knows,"
says Donald. They all follow Pluto outside, where Goofy is working in his garden.
"Hi, Goofy,"
says Mickey.
"Toodles has brought you a watering can." "Gosh, thanks, pal,"
says Goofy. Mickey counts the lovely flowers that Goofy has been growing.
1, 2, 3, 4 flowers,
counts Mickey. The flowers give Mickey an idea.
"Come on, everybody, let's take a ride to Mickey Park in the Toon Car."
Everyone rides to Mickey Park in the Toon Car.
"We're going to surprise Minnie and Daisy,"
says Mickey.
"There they are now,"
says Goofy as the Toon Car arrives. "We've brought presents, Daisy," says Donald. Donald gives Daisy the picture he drew, and Mickey gives Minnie the flowers.
"Hey, who wants to ride back to the clubhouse for a party?"
asks Mickey.
"Everybody? Hot dog!"
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey and Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.